Open this Hello Molly locker with me. I am so excited for this. Like, first of all, look how cute it is. And I'm so impressed because it, like, actually, like, locks. Like, I need the key to, like, open it up. I want to do it where, like, you guys can actually see. Oh, my God. I'm just, like, I'm speechless. I'm going to take everything out and then just show you guys everything. There are so many goodies. Like, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I tried to do the steps to the side, but the thing I'm most excited about is this, like, little cup. It is so cute. Like, the pink is so pretty. Here's the straw for it. I'm gonna use this literally every single day. Then there's a selfie light. Like, are you kidding me? Then there's this cute little notebook. And there's pencils to go with it, so it's perfect. Then for, like, a keychain or a wallet, there's this really cute puff ball, and it has a little charm on it that says, Hello Molly. And there's this little ID holder. Like, this is going on my wallet immediately. Then there's these fuzzy socks. They are so soft. Like, so soft. And then I think these are powder puffs, which is literally, like, they're so cute, and they're little hearts. Like, I'm obsessed. This is one of those, like, compression mask things. I get, like, migraines all the time, so, like, this is perfect. And there's all these stickers. I'm just gonna put stickers on everything now. For everything to go in this fuzzy bag. Like, you're joking. Okay, and then I saved my personal favorite and best for last. It's the dress, but, like, it's so pretty. All the flowers all over it. I love the strapless moment. Thank you, Hello Molly, because I literally love everything, and you guys need to go check out all of this.